If you're ever getting this warning, do this. Your up volume and your power button. That's what we need. So it's saying there's moisture in my charger, I believe. If you have any juice left, turn it on. Try to restart it once. You notice I have 1% left. All we're gonna do is go back to those two buttons, the up volume and the power. So we're gonna restart the phone. Make sure you plug it in before you restart it. Restart with it plugged in while it's on 1%. Let's see what happens. Power bank, you know. Let's see. Ta-da. Charging. Is it charging? Oh, yeah. Hope y'all have a great day. And it fixed my phone. Hope it fixed yours. Thank you. View my food.